Alright, welcome back my friends. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. I have a little guest today, a very important guest, my son Leo. Leo, can you say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
We are going hiking today. We're actually doing Black Bear Mountain. It's a short little hike. It's actually really his first big hike for him. But we just walked right over here. The trailhead's back that way, but there's like a lot of dogs and I don't know, they just keep barking and I don't know. So we came over here to talk to you guys because it'd be hard to hear because they just keep barking. They're not barking now, but they were. But we're gonna try this out. Hope Leo has a good time. He loves adventures, so let's get it, guys. You ready to hike? Say, let's go hiking. Yeah, he's ready. Hold Dada's hand. All right. All right. Let's go. Go down right here, right here. Good job. Yeah, this way. Come on. Good job. This way. Come on. Hold on. Wow. Having fun? What are you doing? Whoa. Look. Yeah. Good job. Careful. Alright guys, I put the camera on my chest mount. I want to help him up this whole mountain with both hands, so you know, just be careful. But he is loving it. Right, Leo? No, you gotta hold on to Dada's hand. Wow. Alright, Leo, where do we go? This way? Okay, we go that way. Ready? How about this one? Yeah, walk right between right here. Good job. Wow. The root or the rock you want to do? You want to do the root? Okay. It's a lot of roots. Wow. Tons of roots. Call these octopus trees, Leo. Oh. Good job. Woo. That guy smile. Loving it. Big step. Oh, big step. Wow.
Dada, oh.
Yeah, Dada. Ooh. Good job. You want to go right here? Take a little step. All right, step. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, you are tough. This way. No running. He wants to step on every rock. Leo's having a ball. He's starting to sing. You singing, Leo? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, hold on, Dada. Ready?
Ready?
Hold on. Oh. Yeah. Good job. It's a tricky one. Dada will help you.
Good.
Look at the leaves fall, Leo. Dada's tired. There's a steep section right down there that carried Leo. It was really steep, so I didn't want a chance to hump of us even though he wanted to get down. Good job.
Having fun?
Oh, you having fun, Leo?
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, high five. We're doing awesome. High five. Yeah. All right, guys, we just stopped for a little break. Leo had some water. He's playing with a stick. What do you got there, Leo? Oh, he wants to get going. Hold on, come back here. Leo, how you doing? You liking it so far? Yeah, he just wants to get going, guys. But the trail isn't bad at all. It's 0.05 miles, so it's really nothing. Come back here, Leo. We're almost, come here. Don't run. Don't run. We're getting there. It's not bad at all. There was one steep section that I didn't really want to chance it, so I carried him up it, as you guys heard in the video, me out of breath. But we're having fun. We are getting there. It's a beautiful day. What do you say, Leo? Want to go?
Yeah.
All right. He's off. He ain't playing the games, the Dad games. All right, let's get it. Yeah, good job. Always watch your foot. Where you putting it? No, Dada's got to hold on to you. Good job. Watch where you're going. This way. Yep, big rock. You want to step on all the rocks. You're learning that's not a good idea, Leo. That's how you twist an ankle. You see the bird? Look, bird, Leo. Say here, birdie, birdie. Here, birdie, birdie. He's right there. Look. Look. Birdie right there. Look. See the bird? Right there. Look. Watch. Birdie. There it goes. Wow. He's right there. What do you think about that? Yeah, bird. You can't run and get the bird. Okay. This way. Look. This is nice, flat. I think we're at the top, Leo. We gotta get over this one. This is the main one. How you gonna get over? Whoa! Yeah. Oh, watch where you're going. He wants to step on every log. It's beautiful out, huh, Leo? Do you say leaves? Are those leaves? Right here. Chipmunk. Right here. Look, you see him? You're missing me. We're in this little hole right there. Think we made it, Leo. Watch this root. Good job. It's like nothing to you now. No running. It's actually beautiful out, isn't it, Leo? You gonna be a hiker like your dad does? Huh? I think we made it, Leo.
You made it.
Yeah. You made it, Leo. Right here. Wow. Yeah. You like the view? Stay here. What's that? Ooh, wow, you're one handsome little guy. You wanna buy? Wow, you see the view? It's very nice. Wow, Leo, very nice, Babas. Yeah, just relaxing up here.
Hey.
Yeah, we going. All right, guys, what an amazing view. What an amazing adventure with Leo. It's a short one, but he's only 3 years old, guys. But he did awesome. He wanted to conquer all those mountains, rocks. Yeah, all those logs and stumps. But we had to go back, yeah, and get Bro from football practice. So we gotta make sure you get back in time. But Leo, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. All right, catch you guys later. Later, guys.